This is an Alberta emergency alert. RCMPK Division has issued an Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Carson County, Foothills number 31, Pinter Creek number 9, Rocky View number 44 and parts of undefined. An 8-year-old girl, Talisha Emma Bird, 4 feet tall, 80 pounds, collar-length black hair, brown eyes, of First Nations ancestry, wearing a pink t-shirt and pink leggings to the knee with brown flowers, has been abducted from her temporary residence in Fort Macleod, Alberta. This child was likely abducted by Joan Smith, 41 years, 5 feet tall, 150 pounds, reddish-brown hair in ponytail, black framed glasses, white or black t-shirt and faded 3/4 length blue jeans. They were last seen dropped off at 3:30 p.m. just north of Fort Macleod on Highway number 2, and believed to be attempting to hitchhike to Calgary. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the police at 403-553-4407 or 911 if you have any information. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.